What's going on, everyone? It's Zoo here out in Mississauga, Ontario. It's a little bit chilly outside, but I'm gonna wear no jacket because I'm braving it out for you guys. And today we're checking out this 2018 STi twin scroll turbocharged monster. This car came to us practically just broken in to receive a twin-scroll Garrett GTX 3076 turbo mated to an ETS Rotated Turbo Kit. The IAG Stage 3 block was used to handle the big bump in power. Injectors and fuel pump were upgraded along with the rails, lines, and regulator to deliver the needed fuel as well. On the hot side of the turbo, we can also see that we've got two up pipes, a divided flange, and two wastegates set up for the twin scroll turbo. As far as head modifications go, the intake ports were machined and aftermarket cams and valve components were used to maximize performance while still maintaining the streetable nature of the car. As with all of our builds, we do recommend doing the TGB/EGR deletes, oil pickup tube, and air oil separator at this point if you don't already have them. And without further ado, a dyno pull. The end result is absolutely magnificent. Turbo noises for days, letting everyone around you know that this is not the STi to be messing with. And for all those who ignore those clues, may they learn a valuable lesson that not all things are as they appear. The end result is a car that is completely unassuming, yet it makes 530 horsepower to the crank and is capable of running with some of the fastest production cars on the street. Without warning, a true sleeper.